All right, good afternoon, everybody. James here, and this is the nightly recap for the Small Account Challenge. We are finishing day 18 here with another winner. I went ahead and took one trade. As you know, Pinterest we carried over from, I believe it was yesterday. Let me see, Pinterest 925. Yeah, yesterday. So that one, it didn't really get anywhere. Pinterest looked like we were gonna stop out. It actually tagged my $50 stop loss, but then reversed almost as soon as it hit it. And as you can see right now, it's only down to $28 upside down. I still like this chart. I'm still fairly confident that this is going to be a winner, so I am holding on to it. Hopefully, through tomorrow, and I can get out of it. It's tying up some capital, but I don't want to close it out, as I believe it will turn into a winner here. So we'll continue to monitor Pinterest. As for today, I took Microsoft. I like Microsoft. It's the third trade on the Small Account Challenge with Microsoft here. I took this one at, let's see, 7-Eleven this morning. So I was eyeballing it on, I believe, the 5-minute chart here, and it was kind of trending right at the VWAP. So I eyeballed it, looked for the right entry, and on the 2-minute chart, which I can scroll over here and pull that up a little better. Let's see, 7-Eleven. It's not showing up. Why is it not showing up? Okay, all right. Well, when it kind of rallied up, and I thought I missed the trade, right, on this 5-minute candle here, but it did pull back all the way back down to VWAP. So I took a long call, got in the October 4th 139 calls for $1.97. And seems like fate, almost this instantaneously when I did that, it dropped down. And I held it out because you can see the next green candle. We started to get the momentum back the other direction, held out and rode it up here. This was actually, I think, over 10%. And I didn't sell it. I like this trade, and I was actually planning on swing trading it, but I didn't do that, right? And then, of course, it pulled back. We had that, I think it was news go on, and pretty much everything went down here. But again, it did not break my $50 stop loss, so I held out. And as you can see, it ran right back up to VWAP and pretty much just traded here. And then finally got back into another 5-minute squeeze and took off. At that point, I had already had a 10% stop loss in, as I wasn't really being able to monitor my chart as much. And it filled right here about 11:21 or 11:23. So right here on this doji candle, I got out for 10%. Took the win, little $20 gain, no problem. And it kind of just traded that way. It did get up here, and a lot of members, I think, got about 15, 16, 17% on that trade. So worked out pretty good. And I'm actually eyeballing it again for another trade tomorrow. So this is on my watch list for tomorrow. It's becoming one of my favorite stocks to trade on. So that's where we're at. Quick and simple. We didn't do any other trades because the funds are tied up with Pinterest here. Hopefully tomorrow, Pinterest kind of falls down and gives way, so we can start Monday with full cash. But we're sitting, about 361 right now, and we'll be going in tomorrow with about 230, so it should be, we might be able to get 2 trades out of it if I find the right stock, but I'm thinking it's going to be probably one deeper in the money. But that's where we're at. We're at a slow start, but the good news is we're having a lot of winners, and with these tight stop losers, it's going to start paying off, right? We just got to get past the 3 big losers that we did have. So get through that. We'll start the week fresh next week, but here's to hopefully closing out tomorrow at about 400 between Pinterest and Microsoft if everything goes our way. So slowly and surely, we're treading water right now. But again, I do believe this will turn out good, and we'll get back above that 1,000 marker and really be on a roll here. So that's it for day 18. If you guys like my videos, please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you members in chat tomorrow. Thank you.